Welcome to another Lose Redos. Today we're actually going to do a redo.
No.
Yeah, imagine that.
Never would have guessed.
I kind of got off track a little bit and got a little fancy, and I heard about it. So, people wanted redos. So, this is what I'm going to do. I had some pasta left over from the beginning of the week. Now, I know most people out there are going to get the pasta, going to get the sauce, you're going to heat it up, and you're going to have a meal. The answer is no, redo. So, what I decided to do, even though these are shells, I'm going to make a baked pasta. So here are the steps that I do. I have a vat of sauce.
Putting it lightly, yes.
Now, to keep with redos, this sauce was in a container in my freezer. And
Polyo container?
yes, Italian Tupperware. So, this is a true redo. The sauce was already made, the pasta was already made. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to add the pasta to the sauce. I am actually going to add some chopped meat, which just so happens made tacos during the week, and I bought a little extra chopped meat. This is about a pound of it that was left over that I didn't use for the tacos.
Taco seasoning's optional.
So yeah, was not done with the taco. So it was just chopped meat that I didn't use. Now, there's probably about a pound of pasta left over. Probably about a pound of chopped meat, give or take. Probably a little bit over a pound.
It's an appetizer, basically.
Yeah.
Tell me I'm wrong.
No. So what I'm going to add to that is about a pound of ricotta.
You don't say.
The ricotta, yes, it's good. I seasoned with some white pepper, some parsley, just a touch of basil, and we're going to mix that in. While we're in the mood to mix, I am going to add a couple of healthy pinches of grated cheese.
You know you want to, just dump the bowl in.
Use whatever type of cheese you want, whether it's pecorino or whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you have in the house, that goes back in. Now, in the sauce, if you have meat in the sauce, like in that pot there's a couple of sausage, you could also slice them up. I won't do it because my daughter don't like to eat the pork, so I won't do it. But normally you could slice up sausage if you have it laid in here. It all works. You know why?
Because there's no rules.
No rules. You're going to eat it, make it the way you want. That'll look so nice. Break time. Salute.
We were having a discussion before the video started filming and said that was a prop. Now, all of you watching at home know just as much as I do that this is not a prop.
I tried. Alright, once again, we're going to do handfuls of mozzarella, and we're going to mix that in. I like getting the ricotta in first and then adding the mozz. It's just the way I do it. You do it any way you want. You could actually add the mozzarella to the ricotta and put it in. No rules.
There's another tick on the counter right there. The no rules counter.
No rules. Okay. This is perfecto. We're going to bring it back here. We're going to add some more sauce. As Rachel Ray would say, we're going to slather it. Okay.
You don't have to twist your arm.
No. And then
What you got there?
just a little parsley.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so I have the oven, 350.
Sprinkle some pecorino on that too.
What?
Sprinkle some pecorino on that too, or whatever.
You can.
What cheese are you using? Was it pecorino?
It's go.
I was gonna say you have it. You might as well use it.
Yes. So we are going to pop this in the oven, and through the magic of television or video, I
And
should
preparation.
say, and prep. Here we go, folks.
The one that's in the oven is mine.
Excuse me. It's a baked macaroni. I added the meat. If you had leftover meatballs, you could chop them up. You could leave them on the side. You could do whatever you want.
Leftover eggplant, chicken cutlets.
You know what? Leftover eggplant parmesan mixed in with this. Oh man, all day long.
What if you layer it with eggplant rather than
you can? You could do a layer of eggplant.
Mhm.
Mom just said, "Oh,
Yeah, heard that.
yeah." You cut up some chicken cutlets if you have. Again, no rules. You're going to make it. Look in your fridge. See what's in there. Make the dish. You're going to eat it. Enjoy it. Folks, until next time, like us, share us. Any comments, please. leftoversbylou@gmail.com. A shout out to Zoe. Thank you for your last comment. I appreciate it. Until next time, be safe and good cooking.